Hey everyone, Sean here from Arcade Gaming Central with a quick video about how to set up your home team for Insider Connected on your pinball machines. The home team feature is one of my favorite features of owning a machine at your home, and I gotta admit I was a bit late to the party and did not realize this was there at first, and me and my wife and kids were logging in with the phones every single time. When you set up your home team, you don't need to scan the QR code on Insider Connected from the app every time. You can set up Insider Connected accounts once, and then when you start a game, just hold the left flipper to load the home IC accounts, press left and right to scroll between the profiles, and press the action button to pick your profile. This has been great for the whole family. My wife and I and the kids who can have kids Insider Connected accounts set up even if they do not have a phone, and then it's accessible right from within the game. Let's go through how to set this up. Open your coin door, press the button twice to access the menu and navigate to Net. Then go to Setup Home Team. This is after you've already registered your machine. Once you're there, all you have to do is scan the QR code from your Insider Connected accounts once, and it'll save it to your home team for your location. You can also move the placement of the profiles left to right. And that's it. You can close the coin door, and now those profiles will be accessible from the left flipper and then pressing the action button to pick your profile. And another great thing about this goes for the whole game room location, whether you have 1, 2, or like some people I've seen on the Facebook group, 40 machines. Both of my machines are set up on Insider Connected as the same location, so it automatically shows up over here in Avengers Infinity Quest 2, and I didn't even have to open the coin door on that game or mess with anything. Pretty cool, right? Have any other thoughts on this feature and the video? Let me know in the comments, as well as on the social channels where you can find us at Arcade Gaming Central.